Hey guys, good morning. Oh gosh, I am literally just coming from my workout. Today is going to be a busy day. Today is Danielle's birthday. Happy birthday, Danielle, when you see this for the 50th time. Happy birthday. Oh gosh, so I'm heading to get ready now. It's curfew, so dinner will be at 4 o'clock. We can't stay out late at all. We have to reach back home by a certain time. So hold on. So yeah, the dinner is at 4 today, and I have some whole heap of errands for run and stuff. I need to call Shari and tell her what time I go pick her up. Oh. But yeah, today's workout was good. Like, what do they call it? Tajay increased on me. I don't know what it's called. When you gradually increase either the amount of sets that you do, or the amount of reps that you do, or the weight, you increase the weight. Yeah, he did that to me today, so it was crazy, but I managed. Cause, and you see, it's so funny, like when I'm going through stuff, I work out better. Like, it's like workout for me is very therapeutic, very. So if you're stressed out, if you know you're going through a hard time, work out consistently, and over time your mood change, your attitude change, you just feel so much better. Because honestly, I woke up this morning not in a wonderful mood, and trust me, now I feel unstoppable. You know the song I say, I'm unstoppable. That's a feel I'm right. But yeah, I'm going to do what I can right now before I head in back to Portmore. I need to go to the wholesale in Half a Tree and purchase an eyebrow pencil and stuff. Go polish my toe and then buy gas and head home. Forget get ready. So I'll talk to you guys later. I might video the get ready with me, might. But yeah, you guys will definitely see what I wear and all of that. Me just wear my have. Me just wear my have, and that's it. Anyways, later guys. Alright you guys, so this is the look. I'm on my way now. Oh, I am super late. Can you tell? Hey guys, no, it's for vlog.
Oh, como es say when I'm
Danielle. It's a video done. It's just for the vlog. Yeah.
We're gonna be on YouTube. Hi Shani to subscribers.
Alright guys, so this is what the food looks like. That's lobster. Everybody bad mind Danielle say a lobster. My puny shrimp. What's that, Mark?
Chicken something.
Okay.
Teriyaki soup,
Yeah. So guys, they're asking for service charge, and then they're asking for a tip. Ridiculous. Hey guys, so today is another event. I want to with my friend when she's a birthday. So today is Saturday, and it's now 7:45. And I take a quick run with mommy to Pricemart and then come back, because Danielle's something is from 2 to 6, because of course we're upon curfew and lockdown. So I'm gonna take you along, guys, along with me to Pricemart. We're just going to grab a few things and then come back. 8 o'clock in the morning on Pricemart. A line for go in a Pricemart. We can't bother. But they open from 6 o'clock, 6 to 4. Google say, because of the curfew. So I don't know if I go get no parking, because all upstairs look full. You see me? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Only probably like the bread, and then something. Alright, hey guys, so it's the same Saturday. I'm on my way to Danielle's brunch, but we are super late. Not my fault. I have been ready, sitting down and ready. I could have been ready from like 2:30, but thanks to Shari, it's now 3:31 and she's still not ready. So mega drive to go pick her up and then we head out. But I just want to show you guys, I can't even show you guys what I wear. I'll show you guys the full outfit when I get to the place or when I get to Shari house. But yeah. So anyways guys, I'll talk to you soon. Mega drive no later. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Danielle. Happy birthday to you. Oh, Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. One, two, three, and one.
Yo, it's a work in progress. I take some fun right, guys. Yeah, that's speed. I don't want ready. No, you're speed. Alright, guys, speed. It all started with an Instagram. It started with an Instagram DM message. Who there? Yeah. Who want to who said who want to who dream? That who want to
Alright, so it was an Instagram DM message. Let's go through the profile. Sends no message, but she won't reply. No persistence, so she was some punches. She was some punches. very persistent. I know it's a serious sport.
You know what?
What the personality?
No, you know what? You're making a man.
So, when I type that book, I should take it on for reply now. Delete the message for that. So, exactly. Yeah, so let's say, you know, a party and pour more of a pig in the streets and she can't reply to me. Basically, I went to the kid. After going for the kid and being very persistent, I'll cut the story short. It's been 3 years and it's her birthday evening. It was Thursday and Saturday. Basically, so I'll cut it short so I can come back to the party. But the speech is that
Are you a Yemen?
I'm a Yemen now.
no party. Alright, so go on, film. One day shall make all this TV and then no part come in and it's like, no, this is Sony. It's her birthday, so happy birthday again. And yeah, that is it. Just get it.
Alright guys, so I am on my way home. I had an amazing time with my girls, but the traffic kind of dangerous. It's now 7:50 and curfew was 6 o'clock, and look on the traffic. This is Jamaica for you. But I had a wonderful, amazing time. I just want to tell Danielle happy birthday. We did so many TikToks. I'm going to insert some of them right here. But before I do that, guys, this is the end of the vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Mwah. Watch your TikToks. Bye. TikToks. The TikToks. Bye, guys.
Y'all see her and y'all see me. When you see her, you see me. When you see me, you see her. Period. Don't play with my best friend. She got on her.